to a new video. Yo, I am, oh, let me back up first of all, because next thing I know, I'm watching this on the big screen and my pores or my blackheads are showing through my skin. Like, no. Anyways, y'all, I'm like talking so happily, but I was just thinking, like, I don't want to get up. I'm so sleepy still. And, yeah, that's so crazy that as soon as I started talking, it's like, why am I so happy? Oh my god, yeah, because I was just like, oh, I'm so sleepy still, and I just want to go back to bed. But anyways, maybe I'm happy because I told myself that. Hi, wonderful, welcome to a new video. So, I just woke up like a few minutes ago, 9:33. It's now 9:45 a.m. Did it show? 9:45. And I didn't really do anything. I started to record an intro on my iPhone, but the storage got full, so I grabbed the camera, I peed, and I just opened the blinds in here. I was praying for like bright, clear blue sky today, no clouds, sunshine, because I have to film just the ending clips for the living room decor or makeover video that I'm doing. So it's not here yet, so but I'm hopeful. I'm gonna get up and do some, just make my bed, to wash my face and just clean up a little bit, and then by the time I'm done doing that, I'll see what happens, and if not, then I'll probably just edit a little bit as well. And yeah, I have to take some cardboard boxes to the bin outside, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I went to bed at like 2. I think it was between 1 and 2 that I fell asleep, and I don't think I got much sleep, and I just felt like I wanted to just go back into bed and lay down, but I was like, no. So I was like, let me grab this camera because I want to start vlogging like consistently. So I hope I don't look crazy because I can't even really see myself like up close. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what the living room is looking like, and it's a mess in the kitchen. So I'm gonna start there. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna show you all the shit I gotta clean up. So this was the IKEA box that the dining set came in that I put together. I was doing like some vacuuming for the living room because I was doing the video, and then look at this kitchen. I mean, it looks like a lot, but it's really like, this is not gonna take me a lot of time to just like boom 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 boom, quick and fast and done, you know, just clean up it, because it's really not a lot, but it looks a mess kind of. This balcony mat I want to put it out, but I have to do a, what do you call it, I'm gonna put in a maintenance request because there's like this mold or mildew or moss growing on the balcony. I think I'm gonna put it out anyway because I want to get it out of here and just like get it off the counter because it's been sitting here like for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. So I'm going to put a maintenance request, but I think I'm going to end up putting that anyway. And so y'all, this is what the living room is looking like. This is a dining set I put together last night. Yeah, so and as you can see, my prayer is being answered as we speak because I needed the light to like, you know, bright light. Like I wanted the day to be bright so I could film the clips, the ending clips for this area. So the sun is coming out. Yeah, and I just love that because it's still shining in here. So I did all of this yesterday. I'm gonna do like a separate video for it. Let me see if I can go to the balcony and show you what I'm talking about. So yeah, you can actually see it right there. I don't know what it is. I tried to use my foot to like kick it to see if it's dirt, but y'all, I wasn't gonna get down on my knees and try to figure out if this shit is dirt with like my bare hands. I probably might put on gloves. But if anything, I just would like them to like power wash it and get it off. But yeah, so hopefully they can do that. So yeah, I'm gonna just go into the bathroom quickly and do my morning care, brush my teeth, wash my face. This is a box. I'm gonna take it to the big recycle bin that they have because today is Friday and I completely forgot it's Friday, hence why I have this bag of garbage here. I completely forgot that it needed to be out by yesterday, but then I was still like putting this table together. I still had garbage from this, and so I was using this bag to like pack like the cardboard and little stuff in it for garbage. But I think I'm gonna end up just taking it to my mom's anyway because we have valet trash and they don't come on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, which I think is crazy. Like, what the heck? So, we have valet trash. They don't come on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, which I think is so crazy. Because that's like I feel like those are the days that people like accumulate a lot more garbage in their place. But I don't know, honey. Oh no, they do come on Sunday evenings. Pick up every 7 o'clock. So Sunday they will come, but not Friday and Saturday evenings. But I'm just gonna take it because I can't have this sitting here unless I try to stuff it back in here in the pan. But y'all, yeah, so that's that. shower it was leaking. Look at this. I don't know if it was in there like this, but I could understand. Let me hold it back a little bit. It's like lifted up. Maybe that's why it was leaking. I'm still gonna put the white tape anyways. Try to put this flat. This is a tape that I'm talking about. Show you how it looks. It looks like this. So it's like really soft, but it's very flexible and pliable. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna use. Alright guys, so I have some packages. Let me turn this light on real quick. Alright, I'm gonna quickly open these. So this I think is from Sephora. The UPS lady just delivered it like a few minutes ago, about an hour ago. And I'm so excited. Like, Sephora offers free shipping and I'm like, okay, I love that for me. I love that for me and for all the girlies. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. It got a lot of reviews. By the way, I buy a lot of things based on the reviews, and if it's like 4-star and over, even better. So this is the body wash, and as I was saying, I don't like to buy big size items because there's so many products out there and so many that I would love to try. Oh, not the bottle being dirty. Wow, why? That's crazy. It's like, are you serious? Now I gotta go wash it under, I gotta go wash this bottle under the water. Or maybe I can wipe this stuff off? Why is it like that? But anyway, so it's a twist cap. It opens once you twist. I think there must be a way for me to take this off. I was trying to take off the cover to smell it, but let me smell it. I can't really tell what. I don't know. I can't really tell what it's giving. I wonder if this is the one that, okay, so this is a multi-enzyme radiance cleanse. Signature scents, vanilla. I don't really smell anything, but maybe when I'm using it I will smell it more. But anyways, after this I added a bunch of other body washes to my cart that I would want to try. Yeah, so that one's that, and then these Amazon packages. Which one is it? Oh, I got Veet from Amazon. It says it can use underarms, arms, legs, and full bikini. So I want to try this because I want to start going to the pool with my daughter. She is gonna be 2. I bought her a little arm floaty thing, so I wanted to start going to the pool with her. So I was like, let me just get something where I can get my bikini together. So I plan on using this for that, because I don't know about the waxing. I've been thinking about doing like my Brazilian waxes myself. So I also got these hooks because I got some rags for my counter, like for drying the counter, drying the water off the counter in the bathroom, in the kitchen. So, and I'm also probably gonna use some of these to like wash the car and share with my mom. But yeah, these I'm gonna use one for under the bathroom sink and one for in the kitchen to hang these once I use them. But I also feel like I can use this for a towel, put some behind the door in the bathroom where I can hang my robe and stuff. And I think this has like, I don't know, I think it was like 6 or 10. Yeah, 10 count hook. No, it's not 10. I really don't know. So yeah, let me put this there. And one last thing, I don't remember what this could be, but let's see. Oh, it's just tissue. I got a box of oh, I got 3 of these. I wanted to try that. I had the like a heart-shaped ones before, but I was like, let me just try something different. What is this? Oh, I ordered some pencils. Some pencils for my daughter to start tracing. These are pre-sharpened, which is nice, but I'm thinking I'm gonna need a sharpener, which I might could just pick one up in Walmart if I remember. Yeah, but if not, I can order it from Amazon. I also got some dishwasher pods. This is tissue. I think this is 12 count. I thought it was actually like the thinner paper, but it's whatever. I really don't care. And then, oh, I got some scrub pants. I want something that's like a slim fit or a skinny fit. And I'm thinking that I really need to start buying my bottoms smaller, because like I feel like I'm a whole large, but just I'm really not. You see, like even this, I think it's gonna be too big because I even want it smaller. You know what I mean? Yeah, because so I might have to return this or exchange it for something else, for a smaller size. Because I want it like, I'm tired of wearing these big ass scrubs that I have. Yeah, I want something that fits me a bit more structured and neatly. So, but the quality is nice, so the quality feels really nice. And this was in a medium, so I think it's a stretch too, so I might have to go to a small.